Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, heated seats, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and a blind spot monitoring system. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.